What's the meaning of apply? Apply. Apply.
Apply. Apply. The verb apply has several meanings, but in general, it means to put something on or use something for a particular purpose. It can also mean to request something, such as a job or admission to a school. Applying often involves actively seeking out opportunities and submitting an application or proposal. The result of applying can vary, but it usually involves being considered for the opportunity or receiving a decision on the application. In some cases, applying can lead to success, such as obtaining a job or being accepted into a program, while in other cases, it may result in rejection.